Dance with me. Bring it.
Hey everyone, how's it going? You would have just seen that footage there. That was the Katic Media and Haus mate that was on last night, Saturday night. I actually didn't get much footage of it, unfortunately. I was kind of a bit iffy and I kind of forgot, to be honest with you. So I got a few shots and stuff. So instead of doing two separate videos, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be going to Hot Import Nights tonight, which is out at White Bay Wharf, which is going to be pretty good. So I'm just going to put, well, as you just saw, those clips there, and then I'll be going there tonight. I've got the FD, I wish. I've got the FC idling at the moment, just letting her warm up, just because I haven't driven her all night. It was a cold night last night, so yeah, let her warm up a bit, let the oil coolant run through. Then yeah, I'll be going to Hot Import Nights tonight, so I'll be getting a lot of footage of that hopefully. Yeah, let's while I wait for that to load up, let's do a quick garage tour. So here we have my garage. So yeah, there's like my workbench and shit that I do shit. In reality, it's an absolute tip, like it's a toss. I've got to fix it up, I've got to clean it, I've got to put new shit in here. But at the moment, it serves its purpose. I can service the car when I need to and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'll be driving, might do a POV drive, might not, we'll see. You'll see it in the video in a second anyways. But I will see you guys at Hot Import Night. Quick walk around of the RX-7. I'm just letting her warm up a little bit more because she's been running really rough recently. I think the engine's just about ready for a rebuild. Yeah, I got the side skirts installed by Dasky Customs out at Thornley. I did get a front bumper as well, but it fell apart because it's cheap eBay one. I think I'm just going to stick to the stock front bar. I'm just going to get the front lid made by Corksport. I think it's just going to be the easiest way. I don't know how good the sound is going to turn out, especially with the car. To me, it sounds better in person than it ever does in videos. It's very raspy at the moment. It sounded a bit better about a month ago before I left for overseas to Greece. Like I said, I think the engine's on its way out. I hope it doesn't blow up on me today because that'd be really awkward. But yeah, like there's lots of little problems with it. Like here, for example, you've got this door's a bit fucked up. Down the back here, you've got that, you know, lots of dirt. Here, that's just in the surface and in clay bar it. Typical roof rust and stuff. And the worst thing of all, it's automatic. But that can be our dirty little secret. Alright, I'm gonna drive off now. I'll see you guys there.
But for now, I'm here.
So just exited the event now. Got a decent amount of footage from it. It was pretty hard though because a lot of people were getting in the way constantly. But you know what they say, any good event, there's lots of stuff in the car park. So I'm gonna have a walk around now, film some stuff in the car park and then head home.
But for now, I'm here. But I think too much. I don't know.
Queen EG6, Dream Daily right here. Blossom Society, I believe that is a Toyota Crown. Nice DC5 Integra. Cute little Daihatsu Miura. Love these cars. Ooh, what's that back there? Now that is a stunning pink color. This is a real true small car, an S660 I believe. It's really nice purple. This car has seen some days. I think it might be taken drifting because it's all battered up. I spy with my little eye, one of the new Z cars. In this absolutely stunning grey. I don't know if it's a default grey or if it's been painted that, but it is gorgeous. New GR Yaris out here as well. It's pretty clean. It was good seeing a lot more of these recently, especially at car mates as well. Really clean Integra here as well. As well as one of these Honda cars, I forget what they're called now, but I like them a lot. An EM1 Civic, I believe they're called, the coupe versions rather than the hatchback that you see a lot in sedans. So I'm trying to whisper because people are staring at me, it's really awkward. Clean Altezza. Probably packing a 2J under there. So we've actually got a GR Corolla here as well, guys, which is pretty fucking cool. I've never seen one in person before. They're still quite new, I believe, especially here in Australia. But my God, are these gorgeous cars. This is a car I would absolutely trade my RX-7 for if someone wants to. Really nice looking Miata. I mean, I know it's got a different coloured bumper, but I love the kit. Once that's done, I'd love to see it finished one day if I ever figure out who owns it. And then an EG Civic, again, absolute dream car of mine. I would love to own one day. Very nice, very clean. Let me just come around. I'd love one of those one day. Really nice looking MB Miata just here, just sitting outside. Oh no, it's NA. Okay, I think the number plate said NB, so it really threw me. Oh, it says my bad, like MB, my bad, which is my bad. It's absolutely gorgeous S2000. And I think a Toyota Chaser. Pretty sure that's what that is. I'm pretty sure that's a Toyota Chaser. Let's go back to the back. Lovely. Absolutely beautiful Supra Mark IV. It's got the TRD badge on it, so I'm assuming it's got TRD kitting, but I don't know about Supras, so someone can correct me in the comments. You're more than welcome to. Beautiful 180 SX just here. Just gonna move around to the front, get a better shot. Lovely. It's a bit disappointing actually, there's still no RX-7 FCs here at all. I'm saying that as well, there weren't any first generation ones either, so I'm a bit happy about that in the sense that it's usually first gens and FDs you see. You never see the second gen, which is the FCs. But one day I'll go to a meet or something and there'll be an FC there. Rotary boys, my Rotary boys, chat, Taylor, Caleb Star, Anton, big show FCs guys. Wait. Just to round off the video, nice Evo 8. Well, this car with an Evo 8 body kit. Clean 34 Skyline. And a nice stage here as well. They're doing car shoots at the moment too, which is pretty nice. And then an 86 and a 180. There's a Tegra over to the side there, but it's just a basic plain one. Sorry to whoever owns that. Just got back in the FC, just gonna quickly let it warm up, then I'm doing a POV drive home. Gonna go, it's not gonna work, is it? Hang on, where are we? We're gonna go over the Anzac Bridge, and I'll just cut through the city. Well, hopefully I'll kind of cut through the city and then I'll go home. Probably right after that. I don't know how much of the POV I'll actually show in the video, it just depends on how good the footage is. If I'm stuck in traffic, no point, you know. It is really fucking hot in this car, and I don't have an air conditioning. I don't have a working aircon, so wish me luck. It's gonna be rough. Just gotta keep my head straight. So you're gonna let me go? Is he waiting for me? I'm just going slow. Once I'm done taking photos, there's fucking more sick cars rock up. I don't know if my camera caught that properly, but that R32, I think it was a GTR, looked like it. It was made of, it was fully carbon fiber. Where is the exit? You know, I was gonna pause and like go slowly over that little bump there, but I've got fucking monster truck suspension on this car. Seriously, it's not lowered at all. It's crazy how high my car is. It's almost as high as me right now. You know, I'm really guessing right now. I think the exit's over this way, but I actually don't know. Oh yeah, it looks like there's an opening there. Even if it's not the exit, it's going to be an exit, and I'm going to use it to leave. I'll do a proper... I'll do a proper day closing statement when I get home, but that was probably one of the best meets I've ever been to, barring a that is very confusing. No entry and it's the exit. Yeah. That's alright though, I forgive them. Probably have to put it there by law. This is a maritime safety zone after all. Anyways, I'm going to try and be quiet for the rest of this drive. Pretty sure that's a Civic that's pulling in there. I think it's got a Type R body kit on it. It's one of the later gen ones. Like a lot of fun. It was very interesting. So my goal for next year, even if the interior isn't done, get this car looking, that was very rapid, get this car looking good enough that I can bring it next year to this event, or try and apply and hopefully get in. I don't know if they'll want the interior to look spick and span, but yeah. Anyway, it's time for silence. I'll let you guys enjoy the drive. Yeah, I just might have messed up my POV. Marked, that means it's a free-for-all. car 0 to 70 and bloody yes. Gonna do a double lane switch, so I'm gonna turn left. Very risky business, but we made it. Oh wow. Guys, that's my cue. Nearly missed my turn. Would not have been fun, I can tell you that. sausage sizzle. I can smell it. Is there a Bunnings near here? Oh, fuck. My fat dar is going off, but then I want to stuff myself fucking silly with food. Absolutely terrible time as well because my air conditioning does not work. Spent about 3 hours at the event there, so that was pretty good. Just come home now, just got here seconds ago. It was a really, really good event. Definitely wanting to go back next year, and next year, hopefully, I'll be entering this bad girl in there. Seeing all those cool cars just done up and looking so fantastic just really give me a lot of inspiration to try and get the RX-7 done. And yeah, my goal is to try and get into the event next year if I can. Yeah, it was a really good night, or actually day. I didn't stay tonight. I left at about 4 o'clock. It's going to go for another 5 hours or so. Yeah, I thought about staying, but then I thought, look, I've seen all the cars. I recorded as much as I could. Like I said earlier, it was really hard to record, so unfortunately I didn't get as much footage as I would have liked. A mistake I realized I made was that when I got there, it was still pretty quiet. I should have just recorded all then as much as I could, and then it got really busy at about 2 o'clock because I think everyone started rocking up at about that time. When I got there at 1, yeah, it was not dead. There was a lot of people, but the venue was pretty big, so everyone was spread out. So it would have been much easier to record. Obviously, I just didn't realize and think about it until after I'd done my lap. And then I realized, oh shit, there's a lot more people now, but it doesn't matter. Next year I know better. Next year I'll try and get there right on time and hopefully I'll be able to record everything right quick. Probably stay the full length next time. So yeah, so this was my second time doing a video like this where I'm in front of the camera, for a little bit of it anyways, trying to talk and stuff. So if you've got any tips for me, if you think I should do something better, if there are things that you liked that I did, absolutely do tell me, because I am wanting to do as much advice and feedback as possible. Like I said, I'm new. I've only got, at this point of recording, I've only have 28 subscribers. That's nothing. So please do, if you've got any piece of advice for me, I would love it. Until then, I will be going to a Halloween meet next week. So until then, see you next time, I guess. Woo!